Hi guys, hi everyone, this is Chan here from quickpreview.in, and in this video I want to show you the product Authority Accelerator. Authority Accelerator is a trust building app, and when you can build trust with your customer, when you are growing trust with your customer, then your sales will be automatically growing up. So inside this video I want to show you the product. Inside this product you will be given the software, you will be given the tutorial and also dashboard to operate the software, to get all of the knowledge given inside the tutorial, total course included. And also inside this tool, inside this video I was also showing you the demo, that is this review. If I click on this, so these reviews are taken from the Google. Okay, from Google they are taking the verified and 5-star ratings, and that will be shown up inside your website. If you are using any website, then this tool will be working for you. Otherwise, don't watch this video, just leave the video. So that is the thing I want to say. If you want to use any of the websites inside your future, you can also get the tool. So that is the thing I want to say also. So these are the verified and top rated reviews. So the reviews can be placed from here, or can be set up from here. By just going through this video you can get the knowledge, and after setting up, just get the embedded link. Okay, embedded link will be given up here after putting your subdomain, and you can paste your embedded link inside your header section by using the header and footer plugin inside WordPress, inside Wix, inside ClickBank, sorry, not ClickBank, ClickFunnels, and your review will be ready. Your website will be shown up like that with the reviews. Okay, so that can be done inside it, and also the tutorials are given. And also this guy who is behind this product, Tom Gaddis, is a very reputed owner, and also his launches are very successful, and he has a good trust with his customers. Like, he is very reputed for selling good products, for providing good services. Exactly, I want to say, for providing good services. And you are also backed by 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee, and this product is launching was 8th of November and 21. And also trust building and review builder app, this is as I have already told you, and you will be given my bonuses. You can check out this video also to know more about this tool. I am pausing the video because I have not muted the audio. So you can know more about this tool by going through all of the stuffs given written on inside this page, and you can click on the topmost description link to visit this page basically. And in final words, I have written here that who need to build trust with their customers, they are totally selected for this product, they are totally suitable for this product. And inside front end, the front end costs only $27, a very cheap price for this kind of tool. And also inside the front end you will be given my bonuses 29 plus, and inside any also there is a offer bump. You have to pay more $17 to get all of the features, and the rest of the funnel is coming with my mega bonus. Okay, so these are the bonuses as I was talking. So these are the bonuses that comes with the front end, 29 bonus, and there are some vendor bonus. So these are the vendor bonuses. So these bonuses will be given to you totally free once you have just got the tool from anywhere you want. And there are some upsell bonus from my website. I am giving you the upsell bonus with 400 plus stuffs, and that will be given to totally free if you got any of the products from upsell apart from the front end. Okay, so you have to go through the front end to get the upsells, to open up the upsells. So that is why that is what I want to say. So I have showed you also the demo, and I have showed you also the bonuses, and this is a sales page. Just go through the sales page to know more about it. You can click on this button, or there are more buttons given inside this page, given on this page, to visit the sales page, and from the sales page get the tool within just $27. Get the knowledge are given here, the lessons, the topics are given here, and also you can also use the review pop-up or review builder is given inside this app. So this is the knowledge pack, total knowledge pack is given, and also you can join their Facebook group. that is a very authentic group that is also provided only the premium customers. Okay, so that is what I want to say. I have convinced you, I think. So I have told about this tool. So this is me, Chan Sarkar, and I am thanking you that if you are still hearing me. So have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.